Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about how to declare a variable, right? So let's start again. Include as I was telling, we need to find h it will be small int main, okay, right? Open bracket, close bracket. Okay. Now here we're going to declare some variable. Okay. Yes. Now, as in the subsequent session, we have discussed about in a variable, how to name a variable. Yes, and what are the data types that we have, the primitive data type in C, right? That the primitive data type, let's recall again, one int, okay, float, okay, double, yes, and car, yes, okay. And the name of the variable, right? We can have a b like a comma b like c, etc. Okay, right. But it's always it's good if you write the name of the variable which has a meaning, right? Say for example, right, f name, which will be sent no, right? First name, say average, aveg, right? Sum, talking about sum of the something's, you're taking the summation of something, number, so we can write num or something like that. Okay, so let's declare 2 3 variables. Okay, first let's say int. Okay, in first, when declaring a variable, we should mention the data type. So let's say we are talking about data type, we have to store the integer, okay, values. So int. Now comes the name of the variable. Let's say num, which is number, say number 1, okay, then followed by semicolon. Yes, right. Let's say another, we want to have a float variable, say float, okay, okay. So I write f and you m, so in order to indicate that it's a float number 1. Okay, right. So, and each, as I was telling in the previous session also, so each has to be terminated by a semicolon, right? So this way we can we can declare one variable. Suppose we want to declare multiple variables, so let's say this is for declaring. Okay, so let's say we put a comment here, declaring a single variable. Okay, right. Now let's say we want to declare some multiple declaring multiple variables. Okay, right. So how can I write? So I can write int, okay, num1, then you have followed by a comma, then num2, okay, semicolon. Similarly we can have float, yes, f num1, comma, f num2, followed by semicolon. Okay, so in this particular declaration, if say it is single declaration or in a double declaration, we only are declaring and defining a variable, okay, declaring a variable, but we have not store any kind of value. Okay, so all these things will be always will be having some garbage values. Okay, right. Now let's say we want to initialize something. Let's say I want to put num1 equal to some value like say 15, and here something like 5.0, and so on. How can I do it? Simple, right? Say equal to, yes, say 20. Okay, now here equal to 5.0. yes, right. So here, while declaring also, okay, we have assigned the value, right? Num1 equal to 20. Like similarly for a float variable, we are writing num1, sorry, f num1 equal to 5. Okay, similarly we can have for a double, okay, double variable also, say d num1, okay, equal to something like 10.25. okay, right. So we can have declare a character variable, okay, let character ch, okay, okay, semicolon, okay. If you want to put some value, character here equal to, okay, let's say single quote a. Yes, okay. So this is the way in which we can declare the variable. Okay, hope you have enjoyed the session. Thank you.